Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to backup and restore data on the Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step would be going to the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit until we see the accounts and backup. So let's choose it, and here, as you can see, we have the Samsung Cloud tab. So for example, let's press backup data, and here we have to choose what apps we want to backup. For example, we can backup our messages, or if you want to restore your data, just press the restore data button, and here choose a device from where you want to, for example, import the data, and just press restore. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.